Today on the Daily Dose, the Scramble for Africa. Due to high infectious disease rates and the fear of the unknown, by the late 1870s, Europeans controlled less than 10% of the African continent, limited mostly to coastal regions. Portugal possessed the most important holdings in Angola and Mozambique, with Great Britain holding the Cape Colony, while the French had a foothold in Algeria. That dynamic would shift dramatically between 1881 to the outbreak of World War I in 1914, in what historians now call the New Imperialism, or the Scramble for Africa, which saw 90% of the continent controlled by 7 European powers. The scramble by Europeans seeking raw materials and fresh export markets erupted into a land-grab free-for-all during a time when breakthroughs in medicine, communication, and transportation made the colonization of Africa much more attainable, leading to the Berlin Conference or Congo Conference of 1884. Organized by Otto von Bismarck, the first chancellor of a unified Germany, the primary purpose of the conference was to prevent wars between European powers competing for African lands. And while many improvements to African infrastructure, living standards, and overall development can be cited during the period, the high volume of atrocities committed by European overlords in many ways negates the appearance of progress on the continent, including brutal acts in the Belgian Congo, where an estimated 8 million natives died between 1885 and 1908, while neighboring French Congo introduced brutal labor methods and foreign diseases that wiped out 50% of the indigenous population. During the New Imperialism period in Africa, the nations of Spain, Britain, France, Belgium, Portugal, Germany, and Italy added nearly 9 million square miles to their colonial empires, 1/5 of the world's usable land area. Many uprisings and independence movements dotted the New Imperialism age, including the Moroccan Crisis, the Agadir Crisis, the Fashoda Incident, the Herero Wars, the Maji-Maji Rebellion, and the Dervish Resistance. The period ended with the onset of the First World War, when Europe's focus shifted rapidly from colonial expansion to the fight against German aggression. And there you have it, the Scramble for Africa, today on the Daily Dose. If you want early access to Daily Dose documentaries before they're made publicly available, consider supporting us on Patreon so that you too could feed the filmmakers who feed your brain.